on today here, and yeah, I'm back with another video. Now, my friend, well, keeps hacking this account. Oh god. Oh, okay, yeah, so I have to keep redoing stuff, and like she opened my last gifts and deleted most of them, so I have to make like a new whole freaking look. So let's just make it right now, and then we'll get on with the gifting. So like this, so I'm making sure. Oh my god, it is brown. That's really windy. Okay, so there we go. I guess that's okay for now. For now. So, yeah. So, let's see. Okay, so let's get on with the gifting. And if anyone wants to trade me, I got some crap on trade. Because, yeah, no one cares about crap. But stuff like that. So, yeah. Sorry. So, let's go over here. Oh, I didn't put that there. Maybe she did it. Sorry, I accidentally turned my sound on. Okay, so, let's stay over here. So, let's get on with the gifting. So, just so you know, just a quick fact. I got glasses, so my next videos might be with me glasses, so sorry if that looks weird, and yeah, let's get started. So the first one is this, there's no gift. Someone just said your dance lock, and I don't care, because, yeah, hi, buddy, cute, stocking cedar, that's cute. Okay, oh, that's nice, nice gift. I like how it's light right here, and then like kind of dark, like medium right here. That's cool, thank you. Okay, next one, close eyes and please auto order gift. Okay, so I'll close my eyes then, so when I click it, I'm not looking. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, we got a spike. Oh my god. Yay, thank you so much. I don't know if I want to get that. Honestly, no. Because no one really cares. Sorry, my knee is not working. Let's see. I don't want it, so yeah. Okay, yeah. No, that was the first one. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, auto. How do I do it now? Thank you. Sure. Yeah. He's acting up. Oh my gosh. There we go. Thank you. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm getting glasses, so basically, I'm a big fan, thank you. Oh, that's cool. I didn't see that. I'll keep it. Please send something back, sorry. Okay, thank you, but it's kinda weird. I will be back, guys. Peace. Okay, so I guess, let's go ahead and decorate. I'm hosting a gifting chain party again, so yeah. It's really cool to chase out people. I guess I'll wear that, and then that, and maybe that'll look cool. And maybe, do I have any, maybe I can wear that. For my bag, I don't have anything. Oh, well, it does match, but no thank you. Make this green. No, make this, I think I'll go red. Yeah, what about that? That's perfect. Okay, you guys, I'm back. We got this really cool trait. I hope it's Nigel, I really do. I really do. Wow. If he trolls me again, I don't like when people troll me. It makes me very mad. Wow. Wow. She's very cool. You know that. Okay, so, sorry about that. So, let's see. People are my name. I'm just gonna give me for the... Sorry, my thing just stayed in caps, which is just weird. It's raining so hard outside, I can hear that in the background. So, first off, let's just do some stories, I guess. Like, maybe we can... oh. Huh? Thank you. I hope it's not troll. Please don't be a troll. Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Please sit down. So, yeah, well, I was gonna say something about that. What's the color of my back? It's like white and green, and that is the perfect fit. Thank you so much. So first, we got first gift. Let's see what it is. Wow, I'm so proud of this person. Wow. Oh my god, yes. Yes. Yes, I'm so proud. I'm so proud of this person. So I guess, you know what we should do? Let's, I don't know what to do for some reason. This is really odd. I usually probably know what to do. I don't know why. I just feel like I know what to do for some reason. What can I do? Let's see. We could talk about the rain outside, even though it's not raining yet. It's just been raining lately, which is bad. Oh my god. Forever Berated. Oh, that's his name. Thank you. Thank you very much. I know it sounds so because it's the same person. Thank you. Thank you. It's not. Maybe not that. Okay. We got it's a masterpiece. Cool masterpiece. So, let's see what we do. You know what? Let's see. I would, in my next video, I'm going to put my face cam so you can see me for the first time. I'm going to upload a vlog tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but maybe like in 3 days. It's really creepy. Let's add some music. What music? Let's see. What music would you like? I'll turn on Boss. Let's do Boss. Okay, let's do this. I don't know my thing's turned on. Sorry if it's not. I don't know if you can hear it, but I hope you can. Okay, so, let's make it look like this box now. She said, it looks like to help you breathe better.